In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the 5 things that you need to do to make affirmations work for you. Thousands of people change their lives thanks to affirmations. However, they don't always work for everyone. For these people, their afflicted thought patterns are too strong and end up knocking out the effect of the positive statements. If you're not finding success using affirmations, here are 5 things you need to do to make sure they work for you. Make a list of your perceived negative qualities. Take some time to make a list of what you've always believed to be your negative qualities. You want to be sure to include any other criticisms that others may have made about you. You want to try to avoid judging whether they are accurate because everybody has flaws. Look for a common theme and ask yourself if the unwholesome concept that you're holding on about yourself is helpful or productive in your life. If you determine that it isn't, then think about what would be useful. Write an affirmation on the positive aspect of your self-judgment. If you believe yourself to be unworthy, you can create a positive affirmation to help you change this negative thinking around. You want to make sure you use persuasive words to help beef up your statement. After you've written the affirmation, ask a close friend to read it and make any suggestions on how you could make it stronger. Speak the affirmation 3 times a day. If you want your affirmations to work, then you have to speak them out loud and send them into the universe. You should be repeating your affirmations out loud for 5 minutes, 3 times a day, in the morning, midday, and in the evening. The best time to do this is when you're getting ready in the morning, so that you can look in the mirror at yourself as you repeat the statement. Anchor the affirmation in your body. As you repeat your affirmation, place your hands on the place on your body that felt uncomfortable when you wrote about your perceived negative qualities. Anchoring your affirmation to your body will help you move from the concept of the affirmation to the real and positive embodiment of the condition that you are looking for with your statements. Have someone repeat your affirmations to you. As they are repeating your affirmation to you, identify the messages in the statement. For example, if your affirmation is, "You are remarkable and cherished," you could identify this statement as good fathering or good mothering messages. Affirmations are a powerful tool that you can use to help you change your state of mind and manifest the changes in your life that you desire. By keeping these 5 things in mind, you can make sure that your affirmations work for you.